Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, February 4th, and this is my hydroponic lettuce growing here. And this is one of the short little plastic trays. There's 6 holes cut. There's a big hole cut right here, so I have a place to put an air line and to fill water or refill it as it's needed. I was having problems with little aphids and gnats and whatnot, so I'm going to pull this out. I picked up some of these little sticky pads on Amazon. See if I can get one out without making a mess. This is a sheet cut. This is not a whole sheet. They're sticky on both sides so you can hang them, but what I did is I just peeled off one side and I just lay them there, and they have just done wonders for my gnat problem. So I'm going to sit that down. Now, as you can see, I've got this much space, about 7-8 inches, and the lettuce is right up into the top. At that point, it'll get burned and it's not any good anymore. So I've got to cut it, get this stuff harvested. But I think you're going to be amazed because this lettuce has been here less than a month. And I'm going to... This one has 2 plants in it. Here's one plant. Boy, look at that. And my little, what was destroying my lettuce was those aphids and gnats. And they have completely solved that problem. So now I'm going to come in here and cut this next one. Up, grab my, boy. You do have to be careful of these things. There's another little piece. Plants have grown so much they like cover everything up, you can't even tell where I have those things. So here's the other one, the next one. This is just some outstanding looking lettuce. This is romaine de Paris cause, I think is the name of it. I'm going to cut another one here. You can see there's another one of my pieces back in there. But quite frankly, look at this lettuce, grown in less than a month, under a couple of 4-foot shop lights. So I picked 2. There's 4 more in here. I'll pull these out and put fresh plants in. I've got fresh plants. I have no shortage of fresh plants. These are mostly heading outside to go in the garden. These are some kind of a butter crunch, and there's some more beautiful romaine growing there in the back. But this is a 4-foot rack. I got 2 shelves, 4 shop lights, and it just grows an amazing amount of food. So let me show you here. Look at the amount of lettuce that we've gotten out of here. And it's just perfect lettuce. So if you got just a small space, enough for one of these storage bins and some lighting, you can grow nice heads of romaine lettuce or buttercrunch lettuce, and they grow in about a month. So, and money, these things come in a 2-pack at Walmart for like $13. These are yogurt cups. Look at the roots. These are yogurt cups with a hole cut in the bottom, and any kind of foam, or this is used aquarium filter floss, is used to support the plant. I'm going to cut that off. And I'm going to eat it. Oh, it's so good. Here's my other plant. See, it's a yogurt cup. There's some good lettuce. So I always have plenty. If it's foam, you can reuse it, or in this case, since it's already been used aquarium filter floss, there's just little pieces. I can just toss that out, or in some cases if it's pretty clean I can bleach it and use it again. So this is my little sneaky snake thing I do in the wintertime to get some fresh lettuce. Doesn't matter what the temperatures are, it's always growing down here in the bottom. So hydroponics, pretty easy to do, doesn't cost you very much money. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoy these, please subscribe. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.